What is the maximum home loan amount I can get with a salary of $40,000?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important question that many of you have asked. What is the maximum home loan amount I can get with a salary of $40,000? It's a vital question for those looking to step into homeownership. The answer, however, isn't as straightforward as it might seem, as it depends on a few variables. Let's break them down.
What determines your maximum home loan amount?
There are several factors that banks and lenders consider when you apply for a home loan. Your income. This is your base salary plus any additional income like bonuses, commissions, etc. Debt to income, DTI, ratio. This is the percentage of your gross monthly income that goes towards paying your debts. Generally, lenders prefer this to be under 43%. Credit score. A higher credit score shows lenders you have a good history of managing your loans and are therefore a lower risk. Down payment. The more you can put down upfront, the less you'll need to borrow. Let's focus on our scenario, a salary of $40,000 per annum.
Calculating your maximum home loan with a salary of $40,000.
The most crucial factor here is your debt-to-income ratio. For our calculation, we'll consider the highest generally acceptable DTI ratio of 43%. Let's break down the monthly income first. Minus $40,000 divided by 12 months equals $3,333.33 per month. Next, we calculate the maximum allowable monthly payment. 43% of $3,333.33 equals $1,433.33. This is the maximum total monthly debt payment, which includes the mortgage, plus any existing debts. Assuming that you have no other debts, this would be the monthly payment you could afford for a home loan. Next, we have to consider interest rates. For simplicity, let's assume an interest rate of 4% on a 30-year fixed-rate loan. Using these figures, the maximum home loan you might get would be somewhere around $300,000. Please note, this is a simplification and the actual amount could be different based on a variety of factors including the lender's policies, your credit score, down payment, and the specific terms of the loan. In conclusion, while your salary is a major factor in determining the maximum home loan you can get, other factors also play a significant role. Remember, just because you can borrow a certain amount doesn't mean you should. Always ensure your loan amount is manageable and fits within your long-term financial plan. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, be sure to consult with a financial advisor or mortgage professional for personalized advice.